Hello guys, welcome to Shopaholic CMPM, and we are back today with a comparison. Today we have got three speakers for you. So SONY SRS XB31, JBL Charge 3 and BOSE SOUNDLINK Color 2. Let's quickly have a look at the features of each speakers. So starting with SONY, this is shockproof, waterproof, dustproof and rustproof as well. However, BOSE and JBL are only water resistant. In terms of the weight, SONY is the heaviest one. SONY is about 890 grams, JBL is 800 grams and BOSE is much lighter than these two. It's only 540 grams. In terms of the battery life, let me quickly tell you, if you keep the sound at 80% of the volume, then you get 10 to 12 hours with SONY, about 8 hours with JBL and 5 to 6 hours with BOSE. As you can see, this is a compact one as well. One unique feature that you get with SONY is the NFC, wherein with a single touch you can pair your mobile and play the music. Now let's quickly have a look at the panels, the back panels. So SONY has along with the micro USB charging port, they have USB port as well, which you can use for charging your other devices or so. With JBL also you get that. Let me quickly open this panel as well for you. Yeah, so you have, along with micro USB port, you also get USB port here as well. But in BOSE, all you get is the USB port for charging your speakers. So guys, the main comparison that we are going to do today is the sound, which is the most important aspect for any speakers. So I will quickly start on the sound testing. So guys, before I play the music, let me tell you something, that today we are going to play two different music on all three speakers, because our criteria today to do the sound testing is to check the loudness, clarity and the bass. So the first music that I'm going to play, we'll see the loudness and the bass with that music for all three speakers. Guys, this is JBL Charge 3 and the volume is about 80%. on Sony SRS XB31. As I mentioned initially that today we are going to play two different music on all three speakers to test the loudness, bass and clarity. So first music was to test the loudness and the bass. However, I'll come back with the results at the end of the second music as well. So now I'm going to play the second music on all three speakers and I'm starting with JBL Charge 3.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone.
And now I'm going to play BOSE SOUNDLINK Color 2.
I don't know what's happening, trying to get too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone with my friend.
And last but not the least, Sony SRS XB31.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song.
So guys, it's time for the results now. So guys, we played two different music today to check the loudness, bass and clarity. So what I have observed, Sony SRS XB31 has, out of these three, the best loudness and the bass as well, followed by JBL Charge 3. BOSE I felt was a little behind as compared to Sony and JBL, maybe because of the capacity as well, because it's too compact, the sound wasn't that loud. Well, when it comes to the clarity, BOSE is the one which has stolen the show, because the clarity was the best with BOSE, followed by Sony SRX XB31. Well, in terms of the looks as well, you can see BOSE is very compact and it's very easy, very handy to carry. So if you are looking for something that you want to carry along, I think BOSE is definitely a choice. But if you are looking for something that is to be kept at home, even to use for your parties because of this lighting, I think Sony SRS XB31 is the choice. So guys, I would say all the speakers have their own features to go with. Depends on what feature are you looking at. In terms of the pricing as well, all three of them fall in to $125 to $140. So, fall in the same bracket if you're looking at. So yes guys, this was the comparison for today. We'll be back soon with another comparison, and let me tell you that next comparison will be between Sony SRS XB31 and JBL Pulse 3. So guys, keep watching our videos, keep watching our channel, hit the like button, share our videos and subscribe to our channel, that is Shopaholics AM PM.